The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for western Rappahannock County in south central Wisconsin until 7 p.m. At 6:19 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Benton, or about 8 miles south of Platteville, moving east at 15 miles an hour. The tornado will be near 6 miles south of Belmont by 6:40 p.m., 6 miles north of Shelburne by 6:50 p.m. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in a nearest ditch or on a low spot and cover your head with your hands.
And another tornado warning.
Tornado warning.
This is Lafayette County. A tornado warning issued until 7 p.m. This is the same storm that prompted the tornado warning for Grant County that had been canceled early, but still the storm is producing, or at least showing some rotation on Doppler radar. Here's a look at Doppler radar, actually the next red radar.